Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making something quick. We're making a starter. It's avocado and crab. And we're making kind of a Asian Japanese style of it with some yuzu and some sesame oil to flavor the kind of mayonnaise that we're making. But before we have a look at the ingredients, as always, please click the subscribe button. That helps me a lot to continue producing this kind of content. And if you want, you can also check the little bell icon that gives you notifications when new content comes online, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. But now let's have a look at the ingredients. Now we have our snow crab, some mixed up leg meat and part of the claws. We have 2 egg yolks. We have our avocado. And then we have 2 different oils. We have a neutral grape seed oil, which we kind of make the mayonnaise with. And then we have a sesame oil that we'll just use for flavoring. We have some yuzu juice and we have some dill. Well, let's get going with the mayonnaise first. Now for your mayonnaise, you can either use a mortar like this, or you can use a mixer or a hand whisk. But I find this is the quickest and easiest way. So you take your mortar, you mix up the egg yolks first. You don't want to make the mayonnaise too thick. So this is fine for the grapeseed oil, and I will just add a little bit of sesame oil to flavor it. So that's enough with the oils. Now to season it, we need quite a bit of salt, 2 pinches, some of the yuzu, and then we just mix them. Give it a little taste. A bit more salt. And a little bit of vinegar. Perfect. Now we'll get this into a bowl. And then we'll get our crab meat in here. First the small parts. You see the mayonnaise kind of, it's not at all thick anymore, and that's what you want. Because you don't want it heavy. The avocado is fatty enough. I'll give that a small try. I'll chop up a little bit of the dill. Dill is something that always goes with seafood. I'll put that in as well. Now we'll get on with our avocado. I'm only going to use half. So we put this with the stone away, it keeps longer like that. And just get in with your finger and kind of loosen it from the shell, from the peel, like that. And I will slice this up. There we go. So we put our avocado on a plate. Just flatten it out a bit. Like that. We get some of our crab. like so. And we'll take 2 of these claw meat pieces. And last but not least, some teriyaki sauce. Just a little bit over. And there we are. That's how quick it is. I promised it would be a quick one. Let's give this a taste. Nice ocean saltiness from the crab. Freshness from the yuzu. It's perfect. All you need is a good avocado, some nice crab meat. That's it. There's basically no real cooking involved. Yes, you make your own mayonnaise, but that's not difficult. So give this a try. It's a perfect starter, or just as a snack. But promise me you'll try it. And let me know in the comments if you like it. Now, I said it would be a short one. It is. That's it for today. But before you go, if you stuck with me this far, click the thumbs up, please. Like the video. And if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button. But that's it for today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Give me something good.